I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the CFX website or the CFX client. This gets you to the login form immediately. Enter the email tied to your CFX account and type the password slowly so you avoid typos. If you use a password manager, invoke it now to autofill securely. Once done, glance at the page for any banner alerts about maintenance and make sure caps lock is off. If you rely on the client, confirm it's up to date before proceeding to authentication. After you click Sign In, the system may redirect you through an OAuth or single sign-on flow depending on your setup. Follow those prompts carefully. You then complete multi-factor verification if enabled. Open your Authenticator app, enter the 6-digit code, or retrieve an SMS code. Make sure to choose a reliable network when you receive codes. If you're on a private machine, you can select Remember this device so future logins are faster. Otherwise, skip that for public systems. Once authentication succeeds, you'll land on your CFX dashboard or profile. Verify you see expected servers, permissions, or user settings. If the login doesn't complete, try a password reset link immediately and follow the emailed instructions. Use backup codes if 2FA blocks you. Make sure cookies and JavaScript are enabled in your browser. If problems persist, gather your account email, approximate login timestamps, and any error messages, and then contact CFX support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.